Coates 9100 coming at you. This is going to be just a test video on impact wrench that I bought. I got it jacked up. I got the hydraulic jack. I got the jacked up. The lug nuts are on this van are 1 inch and 1/16, and there's 8 of them, and they're right on there tight as I could tighten them. I haven't broke them loose or anything. And so how fast do you think I can take them off? 8 lug nuts off with the impact wrench, the electric impact wrench. What's your estimate? I haven't even started yet, but you guys can time it. I got it jacked up. The side, I got the jack underneath it. That one side is jacked up. Tire's ready to come off. I haven't broke them loose. They're right on there super tight. As tight as I can get them with the extended bar here. You can see here. I got one of those. And so we're going to see here, just to focus. And what do you guys think? Huh? So there's 32 of them total, but we can get an estimate how fast it takes, how fast I can take 8 of them off. How fast can I take 8 lug nuts off? Because that wrench is going to come in handy, because eventually I'm going to have to get you know, the brakes, do the brakes eventually sometime down the road, rotate the tires. So I got 4 jack stands. I'm not pulling 4 tires off, but this way I'll get an estimate. So let's give it a shot. Ready? Are you ready? Let's start counting here. Alright, all 8 of them are off. All 8 lug nuts are off. Some of them come off harder than others, I don't know why, but some of these come off harder than other ones. I don't know why, but the video will tell you. I think, what was it, a minute, something, I don't know. But some of them do come off hard and they're long, and some of them just spin off faster But that'll be the video on that. I'll have to go back and look at the video myself. Tell you how long, but they're all off. That tire will drop off right now. So that's the video, because I wanted to do a test on the wrench, on the impact wrench. So I got 8 of them off in that amount of time. I'll have to go back and look at the video. So, but anyways, got the old Honda generator running and everything, and I'm glad I did buy that Bauer 1,050 foot-pounds of torque at Harbor Freight. It does the job, you know. And I got a Craftsman impact socket, and that was like 10 bucks right there. I bought that from Lowe's. But see, they're all off. The generator right over there. Alright guys, that's going to be the video, and that thing right there, that impact wrench is worth its weight in gold, I'm telling you. So, alright guys, I will talk to you all later, and I do encourage you guys, if you're on the road, you're traveling, you got an RV, or you're living out of your truck or whatever, get yourself one of those Bauer 1,050 foot-pounds of torque corded impact wrenches. They're worth it. Alright, peace out.